Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us see how to prepare paneer fingers. For the marination, take 3 tablespoons of maida, that is all-purpose flour. To this add 2 tablespoons of corn flour, half teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of pepper powder, required amount of salt, and finally required amount of water. You need a smooth batter, so adjust the water according to the consistency. The batter should be neither thick nor loose. Take 1/4 kg of paneer and you have to cut it this way. Coat the paneer with the prepared batter and roll it on the breadcrumbs. Instead of store-bought breadcrumbs, here we have used the bread itself. That is, the regular white bread is powdered here. Paneer is perfectly coated. Do this for rest of the paneer. The paneer fingers are ready. Let us fry this in hot oil. Fry this in hot oil and in medium flame. Let us flip the other side and we are going to fry this until it is golden brown. Our paneer fingers are ready. Let us take it out. Serve this with tomato sauce and few onions. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.